monthly Ipsy unboxing. Starting off with the glam bag, this month is all about entering your soft era. So let's see what we got. We got a little beauty sponge from the brand Pink Beat Beauty. She's definitely soft and bouncy. Getting into the glam bag, look at how pretty she is this month. Let's see what we got. First product is a Julia Has a Gun fragrance. You know how much I love my fragrances, and any fragrance that I could get in my Ipsy, I am all about. It's sandalwood tonka bean. This is really nice. Next product is from Pixi. I love Pixi, by the way. This is a eye define waterline water resistant inner rim liner. That is so cool. She is pretty. Next, we do have a little palette. How cool. I love receiving palettes in my glam bag or boxy charm. This is from Pink Lips. It's the Fall Sweet Fall Mini eyeshadow palette. I think this is going to be perfect for traveling. Let me show you more closely. Look at how gorgeous these shades are. Should I start doing tutorials? Let me know. And the last product is this baby right here. So it's from Saturday Skin. It's the Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. I'm all about eye creams. So let's get into boxy charm. First product is from Toy Factory. It's the Oat Bay Hyaluronic Oat Milk Oil Makeup Remover. That was a handful. I love receiving products that I could use daily. So, oh, this is so cute. Look at how cute. I'm definitely going to be using this. Mineral Baked Blush in the shade Vogue from El Maquillage. This looks super, super pretty, you guys. Let me open it. Oh yeah, I cannot wait to use this shade. I feel like this shade is going to be perfect for fall. Ren, so this is the Ever Hydrate Marine Moisture Replenish Cream. I don't have a lot of products from Ren, but I love trying new products. What she looks like. I can't wait to use this today. Next is from JLo Beauty. I'm actually very excited about this because I don't own anything but a lip, I think it's a lip balm or a lip mask from JLo Beauty. So this is the Star Filter Complexion Booster de Tint. Best believe I'm going to be using that in a makeup tutorial. And last but not least is this baby right here. So this is from Defiance Beauty, the shade Empower. So this is a luminous liquid lipstick. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Now this, with this on the cheeks and this on the eyes, it's going to be perfect. So that's all I got in my glam bag and boxy charm. If you want to be Ipsy Besties, don't forget to check up there and you can join me and we could be Ipsy Besties. So thank you for watching. I was gonna say thank you for joining. Well, thank you for joining, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.